In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect OTG USB to transfer photos from Android phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, firstly, you're gonna need to use USB-C. So if you only have a USB-A, you're gonna need an adapter for this. Then plug the drive into the adapter, then into your phone. Now, a notification is gonna appear saying charging connected device. So all you wanna do is tap for other USB options, and it's gonna say USB controlled by, and what you want to do is switch it to this device. Now, once you go ahead and do that, all you want to go ahead and do is go over to your My Files application. Now, once you're in here, you just got to wait a second because you just want to wait for the drive to show up in your storage area. So right now, as you can see, I have internal storage and I'm just waiting to see the USB storage one. As you can see, it's now there. So what I want to do, if I want to, transfer files, photos, anything like that, let's say I go over to videos, all I got to do is go ahead and select any of the videos that I want to move. Then on the bottom left, I'm going to see move as one of the options. So go ahead and click on that. Then at the top, I'm going to see USB storage 1. So now all I got to do is press move here on the bottom right, and that's it. You'll be good to go. There's nothing else to it. You can do that for as many files as you want, images, videos, any documents you have, and then that's literally it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.